Okay, so long division is as easy as divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. First thing you need to do is to divide your number by the number in the hundreds place. Don't worry about any remainders at the moment, just divide this number by this number and write the answer above the line. So 6 goes into 7 once equally. The next step is to multiply. And you're going to multiply your divisor, so the number over this side, by the number you just wrote above the line, which is 1. So 6 times 1 is 6, and you're going to write that number below the 7. The next step is to subtract, and you're going to subtract the number that you have just written below the 7 by the 7 itself. And to remind you, you need to put a little subtraction sign in and draw a line underneath so you will know you're working on the next stage of the problem. So 7 take away 6 is 1. After we've done our subtraction, we're going to do our bring down. And we're going to bring down the next number so that it is in line with the number that we got when we subtracted. So we're going to bring our 9 down and put it next to our 1. Then we're going to start all over again. But this time, instead of working with this number here, we're going to be working with the number under the line. Still using our 6 as our divisor, but using the number under the line. 6 divided by, because remember that's our first step, we've gone back to the start, 19 goes in 3 times equally, 6, 12, 18. Don't worry about the remainders. We put the 9 below the line. So we've done our divide. Again, we multiply our 6 by the number we've just written above the line. So 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. Then we move on to our subtraction. We write our little subtraction sign and put in our line. 19 take away 18 is 1. And finally we do our bring down. We bring our 2 all the way down and put it next to our 1. Then we go back to our divide. 6 divided by 12 is 2. And 6 goes nicely into 12. There are no remainders. We've done our division. Once again we do our multiply. 6 multiplied by 2, because remember we always multiply the divisor or the divisor by the number we've just written above the line, which is 12. And we write our number down the bottom. And then we subtract again. 12 minus 12 is 0. And that's how we do long division. If we had a remainder here that was less than 6, a single digit number less than 6, and we'd gotten to our ones place value, we would go up to the top and write an R and put the remainder in that spot. But 6 goes evenly into 132. So we then have to rewrite our equation, starting with our big number. So 792 divided by 6, which is the same question we were asking at the start, equals, and we get our answer from above the line, 132. Hope that helps, girls.